Echinacea, powerful immune booster. People who regularly use echinacea know that it works. It is the most well-known of medicinal herbs. Many studies confirm its effectiveness. Take early to prevent infection. For maximum effectiveness, take it with the first symptoms of infection. This can prevent it from taking hold. Once an infection has invaded the body, echinacea can help shorten the recovery time. How does it work? In comparison with antibiotics, echinacea works by stimulating our own immune system. Antibiotics instead destroy both harmful and beneficial bacteria. As a result of echinacea instead of antibiotics, your immune system becomes better able to deal with infections and viruses as they happen. In my view, antibiotics should only be used as the last resort. Researchers led by Dr. Craig Coleman from the University of Connecticut School of Pharmacy combined the results of 14 different studies on echinacea's anti-cold properties. In one of the 14 studies the researchers reviewed, echinacea was taken alongside with vitamin C. This combination reduced cold incidence by 86%. Most scientific studies have been shown that echinacea stimulates phagocytosis, a process where white blood cells move around invading harmful microorganisms, release chemicals, and so digest them. An inbuilt intelligence seems to enable the cells of our immune system to distinguish between beneficial and harmful bacteria. Antiviral remedy. Echinacea increases the amount of interferon, interleukin, and a variety of other chemicals. All are essential for the working of the immune system. Antibiotics are useless against viruses. Viruses use our DNA in order to multiply. This makes virus-related infections very difficult to treat. Echinacea stimulates interferon production. Our cells try to release interferon when they are infected by viruses. This makes it more difficult for the virus infection to spread. Interferon works like an early warning system. When cells next to the virus-infected cells perceive the released interferon, they change their metabolism and make it difficult for virus to spread. The interferon then in turn puts killer cells on combat standby, which then destroy the infected cells. Fever, a powerful healing response. The body produces an increased temperature as a reaction to the infection. The fever should not be suppressed because it is a healing response. The more interferon our body cells produce, the better we are able to prevent viral infection. Echinacea is one of the most potent remedies that stimulate our body cells to produce more of the vital interferon. Echinacea cancer-preventing properties. Research has shown that echinacea boosts the activity and function of cells which are called natural killer or NK cells. Our immune systems constantly fight killer cells. In September 2009, the Imperial College London scientists discovered a master gene that causes stem cells to turn into disease-fighting NK cells called E4BP4. The immune system is front-line defense against tumors, viruses, and bacterial infections. Natural killer cells, a type of white blood cell, are a major component of body's innate, quick response immune system. They provide a fast front-line defense against tumors, viruses, and bacterial infections by scanning the human body for cells that are cancerous or infected with a virus or bacterial pathogen and killing them. NK cells, along with all other types of blood cells, both white and red, are continuously generated from blood stem cells in the bone marrow over the course of a person's lifetime. What does that mean? This shows that by using natural remedies like echinacea, we help to prevent illness by boosting and strengthening our own healing power, the immune system. Can bacteria develop resistance as with antibiotics? Whilst we know that bacteria develop resistance to pharmaceutical antibiotics, the best advice is to use them only as a last resort to retain effectiveness in emergencies. More and more people are becoming aware of the fact that bacteria develops resistance to pharmaceutical Echinacea, like other natural immune-boosting remedies, are complex compounds, which make it very difficult, if not impossible, for bacteria to develop resistance. What does that mean? Natural remedies contain a very large range of active ingredients, which all work in synergy. Pharmaceutical antibiotics contain one single known active ingredient, and thus are quite easy for a bacteria to develop resistance again. Are all echinacea remedies the same? When choosing an echinacea remedy, the quality is of paramount importance.